First of all, I think there's I got the solution from my error, or you can say the problem, whatever you want to say that. So first of all, there's a profile, and first of all, we go to manager, and there's a variable, and that's that thing. Um, I'm still not sure I should what how I should do that. Uh, but I have some kind of, I will say, I think this is a very fair solution. First of all, I doesn't have to use some this. I probably am not going to use this. Maybe yes. I don't think so. This is how I should use that. Let's go to for each, um, and data. Oh no. Okay. First of all, there is a thing. So data relations, uh, as as t, because why not? I i use random word here and there because it doesn't has to do with anything other than itself. So function doesn't have much many word variable itself. So first of all, there's a t. uh, so t has इशू क्या है? ये करा क्यों है मैंने, मुझे खुद ध्यान नहीं. Whatever. So अगर रिलेशन हुआ तो इसको मैं भी I'm gonna make it kind of hidden. So and it is 0 1. So first of all, every kind of relationship has a name, which is where, to be fair, it's actually where. So uh, I think yes, no, it's table. So it is table. So okay, so it is table. A table is equal to mm-hmm, mm-hmm, this where, and this where, that's I think I should make a diagram because this is getting a little bit messier. Maybe I should create a new function from scratch because it is too big. It has sometimes many issues, and like it is that big. This is all a single function. It has a data input, and data is actually a array, so it is like that. First of all, there is a table, and data should not be as a table like so. It is t. It is not t. It is not going like that. It is relation. Relations, and relations has a t. Okay, I think. Okay, now it's worthwhile because it's gonna use table and make a relationship over table. So and okay. Oh, now I understand why I use that. Actually, I use relationship there for what purposes? I still I think I've just forgot that purpose. I forgot the purpose totally. It's ruined the total thing. Let's create a R, and R is just a get data, maybe. X 101 page, one line. So what is it? 101. Well, that doesn't do no because it is going to dashboard. Oh, okay. It, okay. It's actually. It's, mm, it return X. That's the thing. So we should use for each and I should merge it. So uh, for each name as because I already used the X. So and make it T because should I remerge that? I think it should. I think I should merge it. Hmm. How to array merge? I forgot about that again. Mm. What just hell happened? Did net goes wrong? Hmm. What is happening? Why it's not working in Mozilla, but it's working? Why? I just don't want to use Chrome, but this is just making me mad. Where's X? X is nothing before it. So if if maybe there's no implode there now. 129. हेलो। हाँ जी। ओ सर्विस सेंटर से, हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी, बोलिए बोलिए। अरे सर, कोई बात नहीं। नहीं, पूरा उखड़ा पड़ा है सब कुछ बेसिकली। अच्छा, ठीक है ठीक है। ओके। सर्विस सेंटर से फ़ोन था। आई हैव अ लैपटॉप विच इज़ टोटली ब्रोकन। आइडिया बैट 30 Lenovo आइडिया बैट 330। To be fair, it is a very bad body. You should very much carefully with it because it can break anytime. So whatever. So but where is, it doesn't has to go to 129. It has to go 127 because where is star? Mm. There's something wrong with here. I think I do something very wrong somewhere because it it can be just one thing. How it's work here fine and doesn't works many place the many place doesn't work fine because definitely where is ID and it is not array. So if you're going to implode that, it's gonna. I think whenever where is something else like uh so, I don't know. I have no idea why it's not working like that. Maybe I should work like that because okay, I get it because okay, actually I'm okay here. Actually, I'm doing that. I creating something. I'm just I have to stop this music first of all. Let's relax and see how we can solve this issue. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So there is a count, and that's where for each that. And if there is a where thing, if it's a where, if anything in where, uh, I don't get it. If nothing is where, then what is getting replied here? I think I'm the good job. I recall. Oh my god. Mm, let's just think about that first and let's forget about this code. How what I do here? First, I have to understand that this is the basically for loop. So it is going to give me 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that, and first it's going to check is anything in here in X, which is oh no, I still don't get it. I mean, relationship data relationship I where where is the ID or something else? Where is ID? And where is a photo ID? Where is a local ID here? I think this is auth ID here. So everywhere is where is something like oh no. Then my relationship load up fine. Okay, I have because this work fine. This work fine. I know that. I actually do that, so I understand that. Then why this don't work fine? Hmm. So first of all, X actually gives something, some data to us here, and we have to check for relationship any kind of in it. So okay, if there is a where in it, mhm, let's do it like that. Maybe something work. Okay, please define array cable. It is something I expected. How it's 83 get data work? It's, this is totally ridiculous. Why? Oh no, this is, actually getting data actually from there. So So maybe now it's 131. Definitely, it doesn't do anything with where, especially. So something is wrong with where right here. So undefined key is table there, and the data doesn't has anything in table. So it is actually there, but it's still not it. Um, so thing we need to there is like table where head, yeah, table where or where ID. So where actually give us the thing that actually we have to find in section, kind of like that. Um, no, not like that. Maybe should it? Uh, so mm, where IDs is your photo. Oh no. Mm, I have no idea where our way ID. I have to. Uh, I have to complete this. If I can't complete this, I have to go to Laravel. I doesn't want to go to Laravel. I think if I can complete this task, I can easily able to do anything I want, and maybe I just solve this issue once and make it function little bit better and perform little bit better, because if I do that, maybe it doesn't have to do many kind of frameworks thing that Laravel do. It doesn't have to load or run any kind of function. It just have to run the single function that actually need to perform with some actually regulation or middleware. That's actually I understand, like, that's actually I do here also in the routes. And so this is a manager route, and manager has a middleware there. So it basically give us 403 if it is not it, and or it's run the function there. So that's it, or it's run the function. So a manager login, so it check manager is logged or not. If manager is logged, it does these functions. And if it's basically it's and this function is this is the menus there. So it's about menu, so give the options. So uh, let doesn't go there first. Let's complete that this actually. So first of all, we have to think about that we actually have everything here. So okay, it is basically checking it is a single or not. If it is single, it's doing this. It is a multiple, it's going to do this. That totally understandable. So mm, uh, it is first of all it's checking there is a relation is multiple or not. So I little bit understand that. I maybe I should create a little bit more functions. So uh, I can create many function I want. If I can, if I can do that. But thing is, writing a multiple function doesn't do anything. Running a multiple function actually make a little bit performance heavy any application. So I'm like to make it, because thing is I like to set my own server. That's why I don't want to go to Laravel. That this is the only thing that I am concerned about right now. I doesn't want to use anything else. Doesn't want any else to deal with. Uh, let's hope. Mhm. Laravel better than WordPress, but it's still a framework, and it do its many things in its own way and make it little bit performance heavy. Uh, Little bit. It's still very fast compared to WordPress, but still I'd want little bit more fast. I will say that. So first of all, mm, okay, okay. First of all, we are going to check is array if x is uh, um, let's check that. It's basically means it's getting array. So should I do that? But if n is single, then probably it work or not. This is getting too much complicated here. Hmm. Let's go to category and just remove that. Maybe it's start working or maybe not. And let it be. First of all, let's see. Maybe we can achieve something here. Or maybe we should don't doesn't have to run this, and maybe we should run somewhere in the PHP thing, and which actually run itself. Maybe something like that, because this is really tiring. First of all, this data has a relation, then only it's run, which is totally understandable. If it has any relationship, then only it's run. That's fine with me. Mm-hmm. Like I think where is a where ID is ID. I think it's check for this ID and compare it to category ID. I think so. Maybe I should use else if here. So let's check actually for if data if is array. Data where uh, else we make it array. So I think this condition will be fine. I'm still very much in the phase that I don't know to, totally nothing. So data, where is actually, why should I use that? I should not implode that. I should use this straight. So I am gonna use this straight. I think, okay, why does it's showing me something here which is not has to be there, because why not? If I go to refresh this again, mm, why anybody has to run PC simulator, PC build simulator? I just want, oh fuck, OMG, I'm so sorry. It's just there. It's just there. I have to remove this part of the video because it's totally a piracy. I doesn't want to be involved with this issue. Uh, you should not do that. Maybe police came and take you with them, and that's it. I think I have to something there. First, I have to create a. Does T anywhere? No, there is T actually where some actually made it relation uh temp. So it's just temp, and it create a relations of actually data relation. So and that's it. And so it just use data relations there. It's check. So basically, then it's do for each of relation temp, plus relation temp, and it's gonna get the data. But T is not nothing here. So first of all, we have to make sure we actually make T something else, because T is just making everything data that's appear to be. First, we have to make it that where actually has something in it is it has to be in some kind of array format. I'm still not doesn't get it why this actually work. Sorry, this actually work. I have no idea why it's actually working. Okay, it's actually working because, oh, okay, now I understand, because it's actually finding the ID in it, and it's actually converting in some kind of array. Okay, because because the thing is, the relationship where every time it's get something in array. So even and where is just a idea of it. So where is just saying check ID everything, ID get ID from this table, and find category ID on that table, and try to match it. So it's like that. And if there is a and if where ID is nothing, we will assume it's just a ID, and it's just a ID which we have to compare with where. So we have to check photo ID in this table with ID on other tables. So something like that. Okay. I think I have a little bit clarity there. So first of all, relation. Oh no, there will be T there, and T has to be where. So if T is where, and it The thing is, again, we have to check ourselves what we are getting first. So I just make hidden and JSON icon. Oh, sorry, echo JSON encode. Mm, Streaming is running here. It's running there. JSON encode and put somewhere something like X here. So we actually understand what we are getting first, and we are getting this name test, and it is this. And I like to see first what we are get here. So I'm let's try this for here just for test. I'm definitely gonna first remove this thing here, and relation stamp is nothing there, so it is nothing. uh let's make it X. No, data, uh relations. I think data relations is that. And and T where it will be something like, first of all, let's first of all, it is a multi array, so it definitely has to do with array column. So something like that maybe. Oh, and T where, so something like that. And maybe it's work, maybe it doesn't work. Okay, it doesn't work, definitely it doesn't work. There's a table issue. What is we are searching here? uh, where is uh, where is photo ID and where is ID? So photo ID, it have photo ID basically. So basically issue is with this function, I think so. What if I just echo echo T? Maybe it's encode T and make everything just okay. It work. It's work. So it's saying table is services where is 1315, where ID is category ID. Table is where is, oh no, so why it doesn't working? What's wrong I did there? Light again is gone. Maybe in 5 minutes it's inverter say was. That's only what I can do. Maybe not. So basically there's a table, and table has a services and where. So if I just create a tree, okay, so actually I doesn't have, okay, I can't able to actually make anything there. So maybe 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 we should use relation where, and it doesn't have to where, it can be T, something like that. So basically, is somewhere is echo. Is where is echo? Okay, there is echo. I don't want that. I want that, and it is ID and photo ID. Is not have anything else. Light is not going, so I think I should came back and do something. First of all, there is a T where, so actually I has to do that. I think so. This is a very good idea to do anything there, and also echo T. So echo JSON and echo T. So we can actually see what is there. So it's actually table services where ID and tables where are, and why there is no where ID, because where ID is, if there is no where ID, okay, that's the thing. I understand that. Table is services, where is it, where that undefined table, undefined array key table. Why this is an undefined array key table? Because I can see this is a services and not anything else. Yeah. And where idea, everything is just there. 133. So actually, it why there is no table there? If it's just this is echo that echo data. Let's before that just do br. And use 2br. Okay, there is a 2br there. Why data table has a issue? Because data table is a there. Did I actually I spell very much wrong there. What the hell? I just I have key relations now. Relations basic. हाँ बात कर लेना कोई नहीं. बात कर लेना कोई नहीं मैं भेज दूंगा. भेज दूंगा. 10 किलो खाने का ये तरीके की बात है तो I think at least now it can be solved. It is. I think I can done with this issue now because now it has something to consider about. Maybe I'll say that there is R and I think R should be something like relation. So maybe we should use relations and under that we should use what is the table name? T uh, T again. I should use correct spelling of table first, then we can do anything else. Think. Where is echoing everything? Okay, so first of all, वापस मत आना। हाँ चले जाओ। ले जाओ यार, ले जाओ। ले। अरे माँ, फोन आया किसी का तो। At last it's actually working, but it's not working very fine, but at least it's working. This is the success, I will say that. uh let's JSON encode data on top of the page. So okay, did I do something wrong here? Okay, because I don't have to use that. Okay, something is wrong happened there. JSON is valid, but it has some maybe single quote somewhere. Because of that, it doesn't actually do many thing here. Actually, it doesn't. I will say it's actually sometimes do stupid thing here and there. So first of all, why it's like that? Then no, it's not about that. Like if we go to Alpine.js, there's nothing in it because uh, no, like there is nothing in it. There is errors, errors, errors. The function which we are talking about, text and that everything is, it's very much hard to JSON encode. Encode PHP. It's first of all, it's working like that. Was issue there that actually people will. It is very good to be fair. Here nothing look bad, but when I go there, I see everything is not going as per plan. It's not going as per plan. On direct text, there is this thing, and what actually it's do? I still have no idea. Let's refresh this and view page source and see what's actually has a issue there, because there's some. Okay, there is a categories and name test and categories. Why does it something happen there? Something happened there. First of all, it is not has to be double quote. It has to be, no, no, it's not about that also. I think I has to make it a single quote. So let's actually get eh, okay. So let's go to categories and make it on the single quote. Is it same issue now? I don't think so. I think I solved this issue. Okay, okay, now everything is solved. I don't need this. So basic relationship is now running, and also function is getting much smaller. See that? The, I think it's the same line, maybe not. Oh, okay. Now it's definitely a smaller function compared to what we previously have. What we previously have. I think. It doesn't have to use this. Mm, it doesn't have to use this. Okay, this function gets shorter again. I think this is very easy to choose this over this function. This is how much line is it? This is for 76 to 120. Oh, this is just a let's calculate it, and doesn't 30 line, only 30 line, 30 line, and it is for 46 line. No, 46 no, no 44 lines. It's probably of 44 lines, and it's probably for very less lines. Just call it that. So I think that relations should not. Uh, I think we should. It's still a very much conquering kind of recursive function, but it doesn't work like array column. Sorry, array column. No, where is it? Where's okay? That's actually I hide that. So it doesn't work like where is it? Array map and array push. It doesn't work like that. I've just declared directly. This is very short and think this gonna work. I think this gonna work. And why there's issue there? What I do there wrong? Uh, else okay. So basically, I'm using that, and this has to be this node has to be done. So okay, now it's fine, and it is much shorter than anything else, and it is easily to understand. So basically, we are using relationship, and where id usually have nothing in it. If have something in it, it's mentioning means uh, in the relationship table we have to check for that. So in the case there is id there, we have to check with the where. So so we are check like if something in there like where id has a where id should be a string, it's not a be array. But on the side, on the other end of where is a array. So like I will say where can have multiple things in it. It can have multiple type of data in it, and where id specify the column of the table we are like to relate to make it a relationship there. So it's like that. I think I should not use result there. I should do results only. It is much better way to do things. um, think I should done in that way only. Let's go to categories first. So relationship dot photos, and now it's gonna work. Yay! And also it is too big. first of all. So let's make it width of 30. So okay, this is it. At least it's working, and I can do X data and make it many thing appear somewhere and somewhere. Okay, at least working some kind of the function we create actually works now. 0.1 and the original has too much in it. I actually do. I think I do very fairly good job. I can do much better in the future because your program has a, every time your program has a little bit of little bit of, I don't say little bit, definitely has a space for improvement. And now I'm going to check Disney Hotstar because I like to see formula practice to start or not. I think not. When oh, I like to see Mr. Warble, Miss Warble, because people saying it's actually different from uh, comics, and I like to see that. It's little bit original, to be fair. I don't doesn't buy the box thing in very various here and there, but I like to see new things. I don't care if it is left or right of America. In India, box it. I will say box thing doesn't matter because maybe because we don't do any kind of things in the in past, bad thing in the past that we have to first just check the schedule. Something bad is happening in Firefox, and maybe Windows is not let it running. It is this is so stupid. And if I try this again, it's gonna run. Something bad is happening here. Ah, whatever. At least this is working fine for me. Maybe we should not do that. Maybe we should actually make it something like array and put everything in that array and echo here because so we can actually make make everything appear on the different line of things, so we can actually make it category there and category where, so relation type like that. I think I should do that. This is a better idea because then we have a little bit more, I will say. I think I have no idea what to do, but I think I am very much comfortable with what I do here. I'm going to stop this and complete a work for a client which I is not doing because I like to do something about this first. And to be fair, that's not my passion, I will say. Let's finish it here and I will complete this everything probably